Salary and allowances of members of Manipur Legislative Assembly jumps from 1,03,000 rupees to 2,50,000 rupees. Violence erupts at Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa Center on last day of BOSEM HSLC examination, injuring 20 students and 1 teacher. Student bodies disarm and aims demand fresh examination for BOSEM Class 10 MIL paper in wake of questions leakage on social media. Chief Minister N. Biren says no novel coronavirus case in Manipur till date, says government has kept quarantine facility at More ICP. Minister Nemcha Kipgen calls for an end to crime against women and to build a developed society where women enjoy equal rights with their men counterparts. And Minister Karam Sham inaugurates 5-day National Theatre Festival 2020 at NT Theatre in Jangangai, Uchekon. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Wisham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Salary and allowances of members of Manipur Legislative Assembly have increased by 1,47,000 rupees, which is 142.71%. Salary and allowances have jumped from 1,03,000 rupees to 2,50,000 rupees. The increment came in the wake of 21st Amendment of the Salaries and Allowance of Members of the Legislative Assembly Manipur Act 1972 in the recent state budget session. Over and above the monthly salary and allowances, Assembly Secretariat will also sanction each MLA 1,63,107 rupees extra to pay 18,952 rupees monthly income each to 2 computer assistant and 1 personal assistant, personal secretary or 1 PRO, to pay 18,771 rupees salary to 3 drivers and to pay a salary of 15,493 rupees each to 2 peons. Each member can also take vehicle or home loans worth 30 lakh rupees to be deducted along with interest from their salary during membership tenure. The Assembly Secretariat will also provide each member 25,000 rupees each per month for water and electricity bills and 1,200 liters of petrol every month. Pension amount of an MLA will be 70,000 rupees for the first 5 years, and thereafter an increment of 4,000 rupees will be added every year. Violence erupted at Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa Center of BOSEM HSLC examination on its last day today, injuring 20 students and 1 teacher. Vehicles parked in the school campus, doors and windows of classrooms and other infrastructure of the school were vandalized in the incident, which occurred just 10 minutes before the conclusion of the examination. A team of Lilong police finally managed to contain the situation. Speaking on the sidelines, OC of the center, Abdul Kadir said the center has been carrying out the examination smoothly since the start and even today till the last moment. He said flying squads of BOSEM also inspected the center and left in the last 10 minutes. Abdul Kadir said students suddenly started agitating for reasons yet to be ascertained, stating that 6 different schools appeared for HSLC examination at the center. He appeals to teachers of those schools to counsel their students properly.
Khangkhangaudan se lojinana bana warning ben kingbadagi angang makhaisina rakha hol manungdagi khanghaudabida khoina thabuk suringai sra thongnau thugaiba hal thudepa nung thaba mayamsi tobadagi oja RK Milan koba mayamna thina soi yamdrabada mi 20 maromdi sugani sopa khanghaudana horakpa thabuksida gari Suzuki Celerio car amma Alto car ani Suzuki gari van ani Activa 2-wheeler gi mari kaire film manungda thamba ngakta school gi oza makhai principal makhai founder makhai na makhoi gi satra sing se phajana convince to honba pam Manipur do hoji quality education purakna na ba honari besra aikhoi mayam phajana cooperation san pibi daga afaba niyom da angang makhai fanba tungi lambi semna nabagi gidamakta thorang pame.
Student bodies DESAM and AIMS have demanded reconduction of today's BOSEM Class 10 MIL paper as questions of the subject got leaked half an hour before the exam. Speaking to media at DESAM office in Kwaketil today, DESAM Secretary General L. Lamyan Basat, an intelligence team of DESAM and AIMS found a photo of today's MIL question paper on social media at 8:31 a.m. He said the student body strongly condemned incident amid the recent question leakage of COSEM Class 11 examination. He said such incidents put COSEM and BOSEM in competitive race for misconducts and expressed apprehension that some miscreants are commercializing the education sector in the state. Lamyanba urged the government to form an inquiry committee to probe the question leakage and to reconduct the examination. He demanded Education Minister to resign on moral ground for being irresponsible. Taking part in the press meet, AIMS President K.H. Raman said such unwanted exams-related incidents repeatedly occur in Manipur due to the government's failure to frame a law to punish miscreants who have carried out malpractice in examinations. He urged the government to frame a law at the earliest to stop such wrongdoings. The student bodies have also decided to submit a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren regarding the same.
Damsigi mahi masin tambagi kanglon asibu yamna maru fukna manghan ba pamba mahi khutpu ama lamdam se leire haibase hena nongma gi mayek seng mahengalakle thodok sing ase tasengna oza singi khut sungsoi soidana maki yawram gani masidaida masina maram oirakanda lamdam sida oza gi mafamna thambai kai khumna ba madi oza singna thamlamba thajaba do masina maram oirakana nongma gi manghalakpa su hele lik oi basa masigi oiba chap chaba masigi paudam amaka phongna nabagi damakta inquiry committee ama sungsoi soidana maki atu matamda constitute tawrakanda haidiba examination sa amuk hanna damakta Tabak Thoramsing Pakakadamani Aduga, Inquiry Committee, Semlakanda, Maduda, Tigalaba Matunda, Chap Chaba, Marala Basingdo, Madumiam Kana, Nakai Sengna, Charak Bibu, Hibasini, Damsigi Mahim.
Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur in a press release informed principals of educational institutes affiliated to COSEM to collect Class 11 examination conduct rules within March 6 from the council office. Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren today said there is not a single case of novel coronavirus in Manipur till date. He said that the government is closely monitoring the coronavirus situation and taking up all the precautionary measures to counter coronavirus in Manipur. Biren also declared suspension of biometric attendance in government offices for 1 month as a part of the precautionary measures. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's Secretariat about preventive measures taken by the state government in the wake of rising coronavirus case in India, Chief Minister N. Biren said the government started taking preventive measures against the virus since January 18 and review meetings were held. He said that a state-level meeting attended by officials of RIMS and JANIMS, Chief Secretary and other relevant departments was held today to address the rising concerns of people over the disease. Biren said so far a total of 121,629 passengers were screened, out of which 53,559 were road passengers and 68,180 were flight passengers. Biren also said samples of 12 people with suspected symptoms of the virus were sent for testing, out of which 10 reports were confirmed negative and reports of 2 people are still awaited.
Manipur corona virus siga mari leinaba karigumba symptom amata phangba leitri mi train thoi chingna dana tawbudu tara amagi negative lae ani amagi ngairi Myanmar rom dagi lakpa sidi magi Ministry of External Affairs ki karigi clearance mathuk tabani na ikhoina madu ngarang nahan dagi khoi tangnar pamtam da hujik akhoi external Ministry of External Affairs gi ayaba phange live anybody lakpa si check tawbuda natra moida self form the mail lakanda moigi travel history yauna moi kai da solubu lei ke do bulei haibado madugi form issue to busi mau songi brahma ka tainari ba Myanmar ka tainari ba area sing da madu hauragani similarly mau da jiribam da sijol da laiba kangbu singsu akoi bus traveler singi through the akoi yosi ki sigi permit form ji issue tor kanda moi de gi so koi history lawraga thamani history lawraga thamisi I repeat again karigino haiba kanda ngasai sigi virus se 14 days without exposing any kind of symptoms lairaga hit height torga leiba ngamba adugi eno leiba adugi timing do observe to buiwan.
Chief Minister N. Biren also said steps are in place to register travel history of road passengers entering the state as a part of the security measures against novel coronavirus. He also said that a quarantine facility is kept at More ICP. Stating that the state government is on high alert and keeping a close contact with the officials of Myanmar, N. Biren said the Indo-Myanmar border in More may be even sealed if the need arises. He urged the public to contact the government's 24-hour helpline number 2411-668. I repeat, 2411-668 in case of any suspected symptoms of the virus. Chief Minister Biren appeals to take safety measures against coronavirus like frequent washing of hands, covering of mouth and using a handkerchief while coughing or sneezing, etc., especially during the upcoming Yaosheng festival.
Hoi, Myanmar ga nakna rubagi ekoi precaution ni measure ekoi na lokot chabni maram ni China bol nakna bani na du China da di yam down noikre China da hana gi leiramba kaino du dagi magi level du dagi huji a da magi yam handarakre the things atai countries sing da santor ki budo adu gi portu gi wani aduna mayam puna magi cooperation ni jari yaksang matam ni na the sports ki kari gi mayam punba tawba chamin ba khusokpa sana ba chen ba chongba tawba mayam do kitang kyar to gi na ba gi thabal gi kari gi tawba sidai da khudi songa doini do यारगदी कोई म्यांमार बॉर्डर से कोई सील तौसिराय न बक कोई खनरुबने इंटरेस्ट ने हॉटलाइन तौर कांदा म्यांमार दा अनाब यावरब्रा यावग्रिब्रा कायदब्रा दा म्यांमार नसु याम खन सिगी हुसिगी लेरिबा पोसी याम खन मोयदसु लेट्री इन फंगबा खोटपा चावना अदुना मिनिस्टर ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स का म्यांमार गवर्नमेंट का कांटेक्ट तौर काना एनी अदुगुंबा अर्जेंसी लेरगदी कोई खुदक मदुगी बॉर्डर सील तौनबसु अदु कोई खनदबनते.
Press Information Bureau, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Imphal, and Department of Agricultural Research and Education, Central Agricultural University, jointly celebrated International Women's Day 2020 at CAU Irishemba today. Gracing the event as the chief guest, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen called for an end to crime against women and to build a developed society where women can enjoy equal rights with their men counterpart. She said it is high time for the men folks to keep aside gender differences and to extend their support to women for equal development. Minister Nemcha Kipgen said the Social Welfare Department has initiated several women welfare schemes like One-Stop Center, Women Helpline, Beti Bachao, Beti Barao, Sabla, etc. She also said the state government has set up POCSO and special fast-track courts to end crimes against women. CAU Vice Chancellor Professor M. Premjit, PIB Imphal Director Abhishek Dayal, and top officials of CAU attended the event. A seminar on rural women empowerment was also held on the occasion, where former chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. C.H. Jamini, head of Krishi Vigyan Kendra Andro S. Monibala, and journalist N.G. Liklalaima Arambam read out papers.
Housikki matamda nupa amadi nupi anigi khetnaba leijabani nupana toba angamba khudingmak nupi support toba ngamle hiran khudingmakta nupi yawbena chawkatpa payaroi lairik laisu tamba desu nupi nupa ase chapmanana mijin jingbi gedogani imumada mama mapa oibi singna macha nupa hin importance pibage thabak ase ekoina Thadokpa chumgani amadi macha nupa nupi ani hitnaba thamdana chapmanana minungsi yinbigadogani nupi oibi kayabu nupi oibi singna otpiba neibiba kaya amasu leitaba natte nupi oibi singi iyat mahanbiri amadi hatokpiba su yauri masigumba crime sing asi thingnaba social welfare department na makha kaya ki paikati.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham kicked off 5 days National Theatre Festival 2020 at NT Theatres Hongnem Shang in Changangai Uchekon today. NT Theatre Manipur organized the festival sponsored by Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi and Eastern Zonal Cultural Center, Kolkata. Speaking at the inaugural event, Minister Karam Sham lamented that except for a few theatre groups, others are dying in Manipur. He said theatre not only enhances cordial ties among people, but it also helps in preserving the art and culture. Minister Karam Sham said theatre not only provides a platform to discuss about good and bad things in the society, but it also brings out human resources.
Theatre tawba migi masing di pitri adi akoi state sidasu masing yam oi ni yam limited oi aduna ni theatre da kari da drama da art and culture da madugi nungi wan thok khangba mioi khara khakna ngaujara ga leire adu Manipur praja gi cooperation pibagi changdi wa le pajaba drama ama phuthora kanda phajai haina thagat padi adum haiba adu manung yauna changjelu da banina madubu encourage tauna na bagi wafam se irei leitaba artist na ekoi mai papa pore jati sida koi sak takli madugi tongmimal laiba government sina khara hauki da thengdaraga su atoba matam gi manung dadi tabok oina respond tawrukna bo hona ba kanda akoi chamaga chobo title laujake.
Speaking on the occasion, Organizing Committee Chairman of the Theatre Festival, K. Radhakumar, retired IAS, lamented that theatre enthusiasts cannot depend on the allowances provided from time to time by the Art and Culture Department. He expressed a disappointment at the government's failure to implement the existing cultural policy fully. A Mysore play named Sudra Tapaswi was showcased on the first day today.
Cultural policy put on cabinet passed over Priest Mayam Koraga, P. Rabani, and Hokrabani, covered in the Rabani, but implement of it. But implement of the state Kalakami, she the labels and Sanji, Gatan Mr. She in charge of the real time, the regular basis, the Palm, PMA, my two, the action from my laboratory. Government, Chiaman, or bus and standing. But we can't win a gadget across the top like the door. Matic Chabami later. Hungary, Matu Shen, the Tamakati, away art and culture, Grab among the way of the day. Instead of culture, busy with the exhibition, the art of the Taman like the art. Matu, instead culture, actually, young here.
Film Forum Manipur has banned Manipuri film artists from wearing fake eyelashes. Speaking to media on the sidelines of a pre-production ceremony of the 12th production of home films Manipur, a Manipuri feature film named Tharoi Ahambai Mahau at East Garden, Wangkai, Nepal today. Forum Chairman S. Mangoljao said the forum has been taking various initiatives since 2006 to preserve the originality of Manipur in films. He also declared a ban on depiction of Bollywood culture and inclusion of multiple gang rape scenes in Manipuri films. As Mangoljao appeals to portray the authentic and unique culture and heritage of Manipur and to exhibit the true Mongoloid features of the people of the state to the world.
Masima totally kaani ji akan ba instruction nama laibanani ase oina khangni nangrabani 2006 ta sem khiba chalan wonsak mayam tu amuk cancel lapani hadaksi imagi ni themna phajeli sibu kali dinu manipur nesu du ne mo ye ngai su juri singa namda dana ma khoira karimba akoi bollywood ki kariye to draga western ni mata tamnan to magadi award to phama moya masih aku kami nak bangsa Korean ni aku pamna ni yang nasi kari ni dah makoi masak tu lagi betul aku ni yang mana ngai pam tahu dia madu ki pasal betul ni makoi pam sih aduh mana aku ni saksi dah pasal macam dia.
Pradhan of Kairang Kumido Gram Panchayat, Chesabam Deni Elias Nur Jaman has appealed to cancel the proposed Alai Ketil Kaba or Yektinaba ritual ceremony to be held at Hanajing in Hangang constituency on March 14. Speaking to media at his residence in Kairang Kumidog today, Nur Jaman appeals to the organizing committee of Apunba Loop to hold the ceremonial events at another location since Hanajing is a kabristan or graveyard for the people of Kairang Kumidog. Warning that there might be conflicts if the ceremony is forcefully performed at Hanajing, Tesabam Deni appeals to the government and the relevant authorities to take measures to prevent any conflicts.
Karang Muslim gi waiba sahili sang sina songmai wena lejarakba Muslim singi kabastan ekoi asiba phumpham mongphang oi rawa jaga ama khakta ekoi Manipur ra khundaminari ba ekoi ipai chai chin lau singna lai gi khubam ni haidana ira thongni ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 4-5 ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯩꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯗꯅ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ 2018ꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯃꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯇꯥꯒꯤ 19ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯔꯆꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 14ꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯄꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯂꯝꯍꯦꯟ ꯇꯨꯍꯦꯟꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯤꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯃꯤꯟꯁ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ
Thoubal police has arrested 7 accused in the murder of Sapam Shital from Salungfam Mayai Lekai in Thoubal district. The arrested persons are 20-year-old Yumnam Rakesh, son of Y. Brajan Kumar from Wangjing, Hodamba Lekai, 19-year-old Huidrom Angamba Maitei, son of late H. Amujao, 21-year-old Laurembam Binesh, son of El Basanta, 18-year-old Tekcham Jipishan, a son of T. Bungo, 24-year-old Taunaujam Ajoy, son of T.H. Paka, 21-year-old Lemapokpam Priyo, son of El Binoy, and 22-year-old Soibam Johnny, son of Soibam Mombi Maitei. The Maruti van allegedly used in carrying out the crime was also recovered. It may be mentioned that Sapam Shital's body was recovered from Salungfam in Thoubal district under Hairok police station at around 9 p.m. on February 1st. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you a special report on the negative impact of sand mining using heavy machineries at the Imphal River. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Sand mining using heavy machineries at the Imphal River not only harms the environment but affects people whose livelihood depends on the river. Impact News reporter Ilangbo Mushuk and camera person El Kavi bring you a special report.
The Imphal River is one of those rivers providing livelihood to many people. Main source of income for people living on the river banks comes from sands and stones found in the riverbed.
Turian da thabak sura kanda akhoi gi yam na kanaba amasina ana ayek na taragana kana gumba yam na solamba mi ngonda thabak nonjaraga suba mayam na matam mada leirambadu asigi turian sida nung leingoi suba matamdagi awaba leiramba mayamdu hanthana leirame.
Though small, the Imphal River used to run throughout the year, but in recent times, changes can be seen in the course of the river.
May piglingai dadi turian si leirai ani si sukhuna leirami adubu ising si matam to dayam na phajana chelami ising mayeng hanthade adubu mamang sahi dagi misin kokolen changba dagi turian manung si loina sigaire aduga ising thakpa chabasu chelakpasu hanthana chen khare.
Increased sand quarrying activities at the riverbed using heavy machineries in the past couple of years have seriously damaged its natural feature.
Ising so ko di som lawa sanggol di turin si ayaman ising si charam meba ko hojiti machine na kot panina yam kutla banina ising su go ha som tar phangdre aduga nong ge phi su bge ama tawge haras ising sa dum machine changa banina turin su loina nei re.
Earlier, only 2 people could manually extract a truckload of sands in a day to support their families. But today, extracting even 250 grams of sands from the riverbed is difficult. People who earn their daily wages by collecting sand from the river with bare hands have repeatedly urged the government to stop sand mining with heavy machineries at the river, but their pleas have fallen on deaf ears.
Sana khod suradi sahi ahumari suba mafamdu hoina khod suradi yabako mission na suradi noamada sahi amani gi sufamdu moina khod badu loisaleba.
Now moving ahead, Ethno Heritage Council Herikon in a press release appeals to people not to celebrate the Yaosheng festival for more than 3 days and Thabal Chongma for not more than 5 days. Ampere electric scooter produced by Greaves Cotton Limited will hit roads of Manipur without harming the environment. An authorized dealer of Ampere electric scooter was opened at Iroishemba, Mayailekai today. Managing Director of Brothers Group Electronics, authorized dealer of the scooter, Mucha Konjengbam said Manipur is the second authorized dealer of the famed electric scooter right after Assam. He expressed firm belief that the electric scooters will help in curbing environmental pollution and climate change in the state. He said various models of the vehicle, which comes in two categories of high speed and low speed, are available at a newly opened stockist. He added that easy monthly installment EMI under BG Microfinance Services is also available at the stockist.
Lit habamga lithium ani thongna lakani battery je lit oiragadi pungje 3 to 4 hours tawraga and full charge kagani aduga aduna 60 kilometer and the 70 bok thawba yagani aduga thawriba gari sigi akoina karigumba habadi marakta kano to yarakta khota ju power batamam yawgani aduna batam je namma matamda habadi hadi matam khara haidi 10 kilometer gumadi thawba yagani aduga akoina high speed sigi oinadi 3 years ki warranty laigani aduga low speed chingina 2 years ki warranty laigani battery da adu moina ma akoina gari se haibdi high speed oiragadi 70 daina 80 km bu thobu yagani.
One-day sensitization workshop on comprehensive manual safety and security of children in schools was held at SSA Training Hall in Babupara today. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR along with National Commission of Child Rights NCPCR organized the workshop. Speaking on the sidelines, MCPCR Chairperson Sumapti Bala Ningthojam appeals to teachers, ZDOs and authorities concerned to put into actions various welfare activities taken up for children. Senior faculty of SCRT Manipur Dr. Tinkoneng spoke on roles and responsibilities of teachers and other school staffs in ensuring safety and health and hygiene during the technical session of the workshop, while resource person of SSA Manipur and AMI stressed on infrastructure of schools and psychosocial aspects of children. An open discussion by the attendees made the workshop session comprehensive.
National Commission for Protection of Child Rights ka wari sanaraga ay isamagna hostel guideline ase aina Delhi dagi pujara ulaga Manipur da Minister Radishamda sinazaraba matungda masikamai tawdana Manipur gi context tat masi chanagadra adoragadi chanagada waragadi hojik Manipur da lediba hostel khuding makse natraga PG ni kaina any like tamnabagi da bhara da thamiba kholiba sichena hojiki guidelines sina mi angang ani dorasu ahum dorasu khogi lekai daga bhara da lediba like tamba lak para padagi lak bhara daga lediba si loi cover tawe moi da su sigi guidelines se chatnabagi cover tawe aduna sigumba guideline se si akoi Manipur da su implement tawrasi haidana Kananay bagi meeting ama stakeholder miyam ama ki DC loina magyauraga kananay narba matungda aina minister da chihe su submit tawjakhare hojik notice ama su thokare masi Manipur ki context sa sanaroi haibiba leiragadi complaint lakpiba yagani aduna natragadi akhoi masi implement tawragani haibagi notice su thokpigraba.
One-day seminar on sustainable forest resource management with a special focus to Forest Right Act 2006 for economic development and ecological balance was held at Sandang Senba Maringkhul in Kampupi district today. All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur organized a seminar. Speaking at the event, a Finance Committee Chairman of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council, Dr. L. Dominic said the seminar aims to raise awareness among the villagers on how to conserve forests and utilize forest products. Attendees objected to the proposal for a uniformed land laws for hills and valley regions made by Chief Minister N. Biren in the recent Assembly budget session. Ex-MP B.D. Bering, chairman of ADC Sadar Hills, Hauka Hangshing, and many eminent persons attended the event.
Forest se kramaina ekhoina management tawgani magi resources community singna kramaina sizinagani haibasi ki theme da ekhoina pangthokpani hoji ekhoi si forest da leiriba posting ji mi myam na khangdabagi suppose u yalaga su pangyan yanba ekhoina systematic oina yan haningba adobo praja sing si di kyan ta deba madu ki kyan ta hanna bagi damak ngasi ki seminar se pangthok
praja singda tribal gimi singda FRA se krino mokhoi da piriba bharat sarkar na piriba ek se no karai phau kanaba leibra or natragna sizinaba yabra habi matangda resource person ga loina na masigi matangda naina program sida praja singna su cooperate tobirga ngase asigi akhoi gi tribal singda karino piba right se habse khangba gi darka lai.
Mayang Imphal MLA cum Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Kongkham Robindro, has assured to extend possible help in developing madrasas in his constituency. He said the same at the inaugural event of the newly constructed madrasas Anwarul Ulum Duster Bandi and Salana Jalsa under MLA Local Area Development Fund of Mayang Imphal constituency today. Foundation stone has been laid for the construction of a new market shed for Ka Potsangba Mamang Lekai, wards number 7 and 8. Nachau Gram Panchayat will construct the market shed at an estimate of 30 lakh rupees under the aegis of Central Finance Commission. MLA Govindas Konthaujam, Nachau Gram Panchayat Pradhan in Jadu and BDO Bishnupur CD Block K. Jadumani attended the event. President of Indian Youth Congress Srinivas BV in a press release informed that Mahananda Singh Nunglepam from Oripok Pachaspati Lekai has been appointed as President of Manipur Youth Congress. An awareness program on COVID-19 for the staffs of Raj Bhavan was held today. Associate Professor Microbiology, Jennings, Dr. R.K. Manoj Kumar said coronavirus is a group of viruses which cause respiratory infection in both animals and humans. He said the virus can spread among humans who are in close contact and through respiratory droplets produced from an infected person while coughing or sneezing. Additional Director of Public Health Dr. L.R.K. and many doctors of Jennings Hospital also gave resourceful insights on COVID-19 at the event held at Raj Bhavan Darbar Hall. Manipur State Council has condoled the demise of 87-year-old CPI comrade Tongbram Rajkumari who passed away yesterday. A condolence meet was held at Iravat Bhavan where attendees commemorated the late comrade and her contributions. Now the sports news. Arrangements are all set to play semi-final matches of 8K Yaima Veteran Football Tournament. In the tournament's second quarter-final match played at the playground of 11-star Sporting Union today, Akampat KVFA Kakching defeated TBSFA Team A Tabungkhog 2-0. For the winners, N. Shantikumar and K. Sanjeet scored 1 goal each at 37th and 45th minute of the match. In the third quarter-final match, FC Imphal Mayai Koibi thrashed UVSA Team C Lilong Chajing 4-0. For the winners, the H. Krishna scored 3 goals at 14th, 18th and 33rd minute, while N. Himanchandra scored 1 goal at 12th minute. While in the last quarter-final match played today, Flamyai School beat TBSFA Team B Tabungkhog 2-0. For the winners, Ratan and Shaijalan scored 1 goal each at 12th and 32nd minutes of the match. 15 teams divided into 3 groups are competing in the veteran football tournament. In the first semi-final match, UVS Team A Lilong Chajing will play against KVFA Kakching, and in the second semi-final match, FC Imphal will lock horns with Flam Yai School tomorrow. General Secretary of AMFA in a press release said AFC Women's Football Day will be held on March 8 at 8 a.m. The press release further appeals to football enthusiasts and people of the state to support the games being held for footballers of 12 to 16 years and for veteran footballers above 40 years. All India Junior Selection Committee under the aegis of Board of Control for Cricket in India has selected 5 players from Manipur to take part in Under-16 Boys Cricket Zonal Camp for North East. The selected players of Manipur Cricket Association are Trau Kwaketels S. Somokanta, PTRC Patsois K.H. Jairaj, YUCC Kwakatel Moirang Campus, Kadamjit Moirang Them and N. Rohit and N. Malemnganba of Cyclone Thangmaiban. The zonal camp will be held in Dimapur, Nagaland under NCA BCCI from April 13 till May 23. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NILIT Imphal, kicked off its 2-day annual sports meet at its campus in Akampat today. Speaking at the event, Imphal's East Zilla Parishad S. Niken said Manipur is no less than Greece in its sports potential. He said Manipur is famous as the powerhouse of sports because of all the efforts and enthusiasm shown by its people in the sector. He claimed that sports sector is the most profitable sector of the state. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Salary and allowances of members of Manipur Legislative Assembly jumps from 1,03,000 rupees to 2,50,000 rupees. Violence erupts at Ililong Higher Secondary Madrasa Center on last day of BOSEM HSLC examination, injuring 20 students and 1 teacher. Student bodies disarm and aims demand fresh examination for BOSEM Class 10 MIL paper in wake of questions leakage on social media. Chief Minister N. Biren says no novel coronavirus case in Manipur till date. Says government has kept quarantine facility at More ICP. Minister Nemcha Kipgen calls for an end to crime against women and to build a developed society where women can enjoy equal rights with their men counterparts. And Minister Karam Sham inaugurates 5-day National Theatre Festival 2020 at Anti Theatre in Changangai, Uchekon.